What is the matter, Panduram? Seems you are too desperate to hold girl's hand, Panduram.
Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. No. Actually, I got excited.
Wow, really you got an excitement. Conserve your extra power for bad pleasure. Otherwise, you will run away like a faulty battery at once. What is this? What is the matter, Panduram? My God, from external you are so cool and you are hot and sexy from within. Same on you. Hey, what are you doing?
Wow.
It's an important product tonight. It will be really awesome with this fire. Just like a surprise honeymoon on a Valentine Day. I will take away this. Is anyone watching me? Tonight, I can have a surprise honeymoon with my hubby.
Now quickly ask me question, Panduram. The fire within my body is getting cold.
One fine day, one beautiful girl goes to a market to buy purse, okay? And she asks the price to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper tells the price of purse at rupees 1200. But the girl refuses to give it to him. The girl says she has only 800 rupees and she will give only that. Shopkeeper refuses to sell at rupees 800. Then the girl tells him that if you don't sell it to me now, then you see today nobody will buy anything from you all day because I am your first customer in the morning. Thereafter, shopkeeper keeps thinking too much and finally he agreed to sell her at rupees 800. Then girl gives 2000 notes to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper says he doesn't have change. Then shopkeeper go to the nearby shop and bring the change. After bringing change, he gives the purse and return remaining 1200 cash to the girl. And the girl leaves from there. After some time, the neighboring shopkeeper comes to him and says that this currency note is fake. Now return my original change currency. Now this shopkeeper returns rupees 2000 to the neighboring shopkeeper. Now you tell me the total loss of the shopkeeper here. Tell me. Well, if you want, I can give you the option also. Take options.
No, I don't want any option, okay?
I'm not even charging anything for this. It's free for you. Options are 1200, 1800, 2800 or 4000 rupees. Now you don't tell me to do 50-50 in it, okay?
Panduram, your options are also NG, like you are fine, means all wrong. Take it and count it. Whatever amount is here is the amount of loss. And how it is, I have written in this diary and you can read it later.
Son Ram Prasad, now you hold your dhoti very tightly and use extra underwear too. Tonight she is going to take off my underwear. Whatever I do, she will not leave me. She will rape me. I'll do one thing. I will take off this dhoti and wear jeans. This will be fine.
Panduram, you can't get rid of with extra inner underwear and jeans too. Go and put on a hat. Then we will start our show inside the bathroom with a rain dance.
Rain dance? What kind of dance is it?
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Now, my turn.
Now I will ask you the question. Pass that glass. Panduram, this is an empty glass. Suppose there is a biological cell in it, which doubles every second, such as 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 8. And it takes 1 minute to fully fill this glass is needed. Now, how much time is required to make half of this glass?
30 seconds. Your game is over. Now your time is over. Now you get lost from here. And come on, get out and you please have your dirty money. Come on, get out now. Get out. Leap from here.
Listen, Panduram, your answer is wrong. Like you are NG. You think yourself very clever? 30 seconds is a wrong answer. Now you are gone. Now I will teach you a lesson that you will forget to wear this dhoti and underwear. You consider yourself very clever. Now I will punish you using oil. Tell me, what oil do you have? Mustard oil or coconut oil? Whichever you have, heat 100 grams slightly and bring now. And listen, come wearing only a towel. And if you come without clothes, it would be fine for me too.
What is your intention?
Intention will go to hell. You just bring some hot oil. Tonight, I am your queen and you are my slave. Come on, go now. I said go. Go, leave now.
Answer 30 seconds was wrong. Then what was the correct answer? Hey God Hanumanji, what is happening to me today? Please help me.
Panduram, I just told you to heat the oil a little bit. If it gets too hot, then I will put it in your asshole and burn the fire. Understand? Come fast.
No, I'm coming.
What is this? Is it snowing outside?
Huh?
Why are you wearing this jeans and kurta? I told you to get in the towel. Do one thing now. You remove this pant.
How can I remove this pant? If I take off the pant, a hot rocket will come out of my pocket. How can I take off the pant? If I take off my pant, disaster will happen.
What kind of disaster?
Listen, Sila, I believe in myself, but I cannot believe the king cobra hidden under my jeans pant. Please, Sila, try to understand my inner hidden feelings. Please.
See, Panduram, barking dogs seldom bite. Are you trying to scare me by calling this nonsense? Yes, say. Say.
Smart boy.
Quit. Now you give me a body massage. Then I will see if you are really a tiger or a rat or a lizard. You wait. Just wait and watch. I'm coming. Panduram, let's you start now. What happened to you, Panduram? Why are you sweating in AC room? Do I have a thorn in my legs? Or 440 volts current is running in it. Now hurry up, or I will remove your pant.